So, you've got your Beam wallet, right? You've heard it's private, secure, and all that good stuff. But have you ever wondered, can people actually see your details on Beam Wallet? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Beam Wallet is. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user anonymity. This means it's designed to protect your financial privacy. But how does it actually work? At the heart of Beam Wallet's privacy features is a technology called Mimblewimble. Think of it as a magic spell that obscures your transactions. It works by combining multiple transactions into a single, indistinguishable blob of data. This makes it incredibly difficult, if not impossible, for anyone to track your specific transactions. What can't be seen? So, what kind of information is hidden? Well, quite a lot. Transaction amounts, your precise transaction amounts are concealed. Sender and receiver identities, no one can directly link a transaction to a specific individual. Transaction history, your past transactions are obscured, making it hard to trace your financial activity. What can be seen? Limited information. While Beam Wallet does an excellent job of protecting your privacy, there's still some limited information that can be observed. Public key, this is a unique identifier associated with your wallet. However, it's not directly linked to your real-world identity. Network activity, it's possible to see that you're active on the network, but not what you're doing. The importance of best practices. While Beam Wallet offers strong privacy features, it's essential to follow best practices to maximize your anonymity. Use a strong, unique password. A strong password is the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your wallet. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA 2FA adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for hackers to gain access. Be cautious of phishing attacks. Be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or websites that may try to steal your wallet information. Stay updated. Keep your Beam Wallet software up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and privacy enhancements. So, to answer the original question, can people see your details on Beam Wallet? The short answer is no, not directly. Beam Wallet's advanced privacy features, combined with best practices, make it a powerful tool for protecting your financial privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.